everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be decorating the porch for Halloween. It's about 90 degrees out, but it's officially fall. I don't get my decor out now. There's not really a whole lot of time to enjoy it. Halloween is like a month away. I have a small pile of things right here. I'm mostly using things from last year. We're just gonna give it a little bit of like a revamp, a little refresh. I did come out and get some lights hung yesterday. I'm very excited about those. Those are actually new, and make sure you guys stick around because these lights are going to be like the wow factor of my decor this year. This is day technically 2 of decorating, so I got those one lights. Again, I will go in a lot more detail here once we get out there and show you guys what I got done. And then we will bring it home. We're finishing today. We're not going into a day 3 with this. By the time we are done today, we're gonna be spookified for Halloween. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys are new and if you enjoyed this one, and let's go ahead and just dive right into this video. I started this little pile. I just came in through the side of the garage and put it here. That way it's just less back and forth for me and stays a little bit cooler here in the shade. But I've got my little glow mold that I got maybe last year from Michael's. I absolutely love him. These lights right here are the new ones that I'm very excited about, so make sure you guys keep watching to see why I'm so excited about these. I think you guys are going to love those. I've got our 2 skeletons. My boys named these Eek and Ah, I think, like if you were yelling ah, that's his name. And then I've got some of my throw pillows to put on the rocking chairs out there, a little cauldron. I got a really cute idea on what I want to do with that. And then I've got my doormat here. We're gonna do some layering, some Hello Pumpkin. So this is some of the bare essentials I want to get out. I do have inflatables and stuff too, but this is just where we're gonna start right now, and then I can go through and pull more from there. Today I wanted to share Ollny. This may look familiar. This is, I think, the 3rd time that we have worked together. I wanted to share these amazing LED lights with you guys. These are over 17 feet tall, over 450 LED lights in the spider web, and there's even over 8 modes and even a timer, and comes with a remote. These Ollny spiderweb lights were so easy. As you can see, I was even hanging these up myself. I just used my staple gun and added a staple to my eaves and then zip tied to the staple. Easily pulled this web apart. It didn't get tangled. Everything came super organized in the box. It even came with the spikes and the rope that you need to make sure that these spider webs don't go anywhere in any type of weather. If you live where it snows, the heat, the rain, these are indoor outdoor lights, so you know that you're covered and that these are going to stay looking beautiful. Boys and I had a blast playing with all the different modes. There are 8 different modes that come with these spider lights. I like the twinkling one the best, but you can choose whichever one you want that suits you. As I mentioned, these are weatherproof, indoor, outdoor, and comes with everything that you need. It also comes with a timer for 6 or 8 hours, and it has a memory so to remember what settings that you set up on your remote. If Ollny is kind enough to give me any type of discount code, I will have a link and codes down below in my description box. And thank you so much to Ollny for sponsoring today's video and making my Halloween porch look so amazing and festive. These skeletons have been used all around my house, inside and outside, but I loved them in these rocking chairs last year, and so did the trick-or-treaters. So we're gonna go ahead and put them out here again. I'm just rearranging them a little bit differently than I did before. I love how this area came out, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and just see how this all comes together. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments, but make sure you guys stick around until the very end because I keep coming back to things and just making it better and better, and just kind of improving as we go because I was kind of feeling those creative juices flowing. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this play through and just watch this all come to life. Oh my gosh, look at these two best witches right here, their little hats. I feel like I love this so much already, and this is like all we've done. I love their witch hats. It looks like they're just hanging out. Maybe I can like put a little cup or something. It looks like they're enjoying a little cocktail out here. And then I put this little cauldron. I think what I want to do is put some lights in here, like little battery pack lights. Maybe I can find some green ones on Amazon, or maybe if I go out in a little bit, I can maybe find some at the store. But all I did was fluffed up like a black trash bag to kind of fill the space. And then I had some of this spider web left over from last year. And so it kind of looks like the cauldron has some of that fog on top. So I just fluffed that out. But I think if I added some fairy lights on here, that would be really cute. Maybe I'll add like a little wooden spoon, and it can look like these little best witches are enjoying a little cocktail while brewing up some potion in their cauldron. So cute, but let's keep going. I love how the swap of even just a doormat can make things so fun and festive. That is one of my favorite things to do for spring, summer, Christmas, Halloween, fall, all the things. I think I have a doormat for every season. I love this one. I think I got this at Target last year. I think it was really popular actually. And it's just so simple and says hello pumpkin. And I love that it is versatile for fall and Halloween, the whole season, right into Christmas. So even if you don't really decorate your porch much, highly recommend just getting a really cute festive doormat and leaving it at that. But as you guys can see, I'm not even going to hang a wreath this year. I don't think I used any wreaths now that I think about it. I love this little basket. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I have a ton of florals left over from when we decorated in the house. So I'm just going to pull out those beautiful flowers that I had in this basket for spring and summer and swap them out with some fall florals that I already owned. Just like cool off for a second, and sometimes when I get overwhelmed, if you just walk away, you can come back and look at it with fresh eyes. So I think what I'm going to do is go back out to my totes and kind of look at everything that I have. I know I have inflatables, but I'm like, do I put those out this year? Do I not? I don't know. I think we're just gonna kind of go from there. Sometimes I feel like less is more, like you just don't want to put a bunch of clutter on your porch. So as of right now, I'm just kind of wanting to complement what I already have going on. So this is definitely a process here that we're going through, but I'm glad that I'm taking you guys with me, because I'm definitely not the person that just like puts things down in a spot and then it just stays there. I'm moving it, I'm perfecting it until it feels right. So I'm gonna take a minute, kind of clear my mind, cool off, and then we'll go back out. This graveyard is always a hit. This is probably, I don't know, my 3rd or 4th year doing this. I've just kind of slowly collected skeletons because I really am trying not to spend a lot of money. So I'm trying just to get like a few things new each year. And you'll see how I kind of spread things out and move things around to make it work. So these headstones, I think I got these on Amazon last year. And even though they're kind of like a cardboard material, they have like a hard layer over it. And so when they get hit by the sprinklers or if it rains or anything like that, they've held up really nice. They're protected. And it came with a whole bunch of them, but I'm just going to put out 6 of these headstones only because I only have so many bones and skeletons to go around. So you're going to kind of watch me spread things out and separate things. Some will just have legs, some will just have arms, some will just have heads, but I think it turns out really cute. The only other thing I want to add to this is maybe hit the Dollar Tree and get some like little spotlights to put on the headstones or on these bones and skeletons, just so at night it really makes a statement. I had to pause what I was doing to go do a school pickup run, and while I was out, my son's school is right up the street from a Target, and I thought, oh my gosh, we put those beautiful LED lights, the spider web that lights up. How cool would it be to go get an inflatable spider to go with the spider lights? So they had one left. It was my lucky day. I got this 8-foot spider. He was $60, but I think he was so amazing. Wait till you guys see him set up. And he matches the Ollny spider web lights that we just put up a few minutes ago, and it just really like pulls everything together. And I also picked up some fairy lights in like a purple color and added those to the cauldron. So I kind of envisioned green, but they didn't have green, they had purple. And I thought purple actually again matched the spider web that we put up. So again, just kind of making everything flow through the yard. So let's get everything set up and I will show you guys some really good after shots here in just a second. As I mentioned, it was a warm one today, but we got it done. I got this Witch's Brew wine from Target while I was running in getting that spider inflatable, and it was just time to treat myself. So let's go outside and see all the afters. I think it came together so beautiful. I'll probably keep adding a few more touches as I think of things, so make sure you guys like and subscribe before you leave. Also, I will have Ollny linked down below in the description box if you guys want to check out these beautiful LED spiderweb lights. They are so beautiful and definitely added that wow factor that I wanted. So thank you again so much for watching, friends, and I'll see you next time in a brand new video.